next up, the Waterway Maintenance Key. This you'll find on the Ashika map in the top right of F5. Zooming in, you can see this little building here, or little circular hut type thing, to the northwest of the Tsuki Castle here. That's exactly what we need to head towards. But do note that there are tons of very angry AI in this area, and you may find a better chance of approaching underground late game when there's even more AI in this area from reinforcements. At least for me, near the start of a game, there's barely any AI bumbling around except for in the castle. Now, in this little building, sitting just off from the Tsuki Castle fortress here, exactly in this position, bottom right of F4, top right of F5, all we need to do is travel directly down the zipline, and right below us, the Waterway Maintenance should be. There we go, Waterways Maintenance Kit. It's as simple as that. Do note you'll probably not want to be spotted while you're down here, as there are 2 to 3 angry juggernauts bumbling around, and of course, tons of very accurate AI. It's no better on the surface anyway. Thank you all for watching. That's really about it for this quick guide. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.